Build your welding skid. Hello family, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of Hog On Welding, and I wanted to talk to you about building your personal welding skid. I have built several welding skids over the years, and I started in Phoenix, Arizona. I actually built my welding skid to help me do personal jobs, to stay organized, be able to stay portable and safe on the job site. So the goal was to be able to pick it up with a small crane or forklift and be able to put everything that I needed to have when I was doing my independent welding. So for those who are actually leaving school and wanting to transition to do their own thing, or they're seasoned and you're trying to do your own thing, you don't have to break the bank. I noticed when I was looking for something simple, they was around $3,000. So I built this myself, and you can actually go online and get the prints for $100. That's $100, and you can be able to build your own welding skid. You can get all the material for under $200. I was selling them in Phoenix, Arizona. The first store that actually gave me the opportunity to put some of my units in was Deer Valley, Vern Lewis off of Deer Valley in Phoenix. They gave me the opportunity to present my welding skids, and then the pandemic hit and prices of steel went up. But I didn't want to stop the product, so I kept it going, and I created the welding skid blueprints, where you can visit hogonwelding.com. That's hogonwelding.com, and you can check out the vertical or the horizontal prints, and it shows you exactly how to build them, show you the layout, shows you the dimensions, gives you how to set everything up and the stuff you need. And it also shows you how it's going to look once you start laying out your unit. So I really believe that the welding skids are very, 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 very valuable for those who are beginning welders, for those who are seasoned welders and master welders, for those who are starting a business and want to use their personal truck and turn it into a business. Then take the skid out, put it on rollers, build a frame for it for that if you need, and then you can put it back in your personal truck to turn it into a work truck when you need, and you can still get your hog on family. So I built these welding skids to help me kill several birds in one stone, and now I'm trying to help those who are trying to start their independence or work on their welding trade around the house and really sharpen up their skills, or build these at a school and get everybody involved to help put them together, to give them more information on how to build their own independence. So I wanted to present this to you and tell you to visit hogonwelding.com. That's hogonwelding.com, where you can actually purchase the vertical or the horizontal edition, family. Hog on, be blessed, and continues to prosper.